It's always hard coming up with quick, easy meals for the family. So how about we smash out some taco quiches that'll win you Father or Mother of the Year, or at least dinner tonight. Now, if shoving underdeveloped eggs into a taco isn't your thing, it will be after watching this video. Smack! Oh, yum. No one said this would be cheap. You'll need 2 eggs for each one you make. We just want to break them straight into a jug or bowl and put the shells aside for later. And then we need to add a good pinch of salt and pepper. And then mix this up. Then dice up some cherry tomatoes. It's a fiddly job, but it needs to be done. Once they're all diced, place them aside. Next up, you'll need some diced ham. You can just buy this already diced up from your local deli. Once the ham's done, push it aside. Capsicum next. I'm going green for some contrast. Make sure you don't include any of the seeds. When it's all chopped and colourful, set it aside. Now mushrooms, I like to cut mine into thin slices. I stick with smaller mushies when doing these. A handful is enough for all of these. When you're happy, pop them aside too. You'll need some of these taco boats as well. I'm making 6, so I need 6. Today we're firing up the 57cm Weber kettle and we're pairing it up with a Kettle Kone, also known as the vortex of flavour. And fueling this cook is the original heat beads briquettes, because we want to be reaching indirect temps of 240 degrees Celsius for today's cook. And once the lid's on, you want to make sure all the vents are wide open, and we'll give that 10 minutes to warm up. And that is no different than preheating your oven, just with more testosterone and charcoal. Fun fact, the Kettle Kone creates a cyclone of heat so precise, it makes convection ovens feel insecure. Today's cook will take roughly 30 minutes, or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Line up those tortilla boats like you're about to invade somewhere delicious. You want to half fill them with that egg mix, and then add some ham and some tomato, capsicum, some mushroom, top up with some more egg, and then we're going to top this off with mozzarella cheese. And then we just place them around the outer part of the cooking grill, because that's where the heat hits just right, like your first love, but meltier. Obviously put the lid back on and let them cook away. Positioning food away from the vortex avoids burning the base, unlike your last steak attempt. Okay, science time. Did you know the Weber lid vent creates a hot spot? As air flows in low, does its thing, and then like that one night stand you had. So to avoid tears and to make sure you get a perfectly balanced cook, I recommend turning the lid a third of the way every 10 minutes during the cook, because balance isn't just for yoga mums. Let's not forget, these are still quiches, so we can pretend to be a little bit fancy and add a garnish. Parsley is my first choice, but you can add whatever you want. If you want to ruin a perfectly good dish, put aside ready for the big finish. Parsley adds freshness, but mostly it's decorative guilt for eating 6 taco boats solo. And those eggshells that we put away earlier, yeah, bin them. I just wanted to see if I could get anyone to put them aside. And spoiler, you did, and I love you for it. If this is making you hungry, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a mate who still thinks quiches aren't manly enough. Oh, look at that. They are done, and they need to come off the heat. Sprinkle over the pretty stuff and serve them up. Let's crack one open and have a look inside. Oh, look at that.